Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to the class. Today we will learn how to subtract rupees and paise. Okay. Since in our last class we have done subtraction with borrowing, isn't it? Here you need to apply the same method. Alright. Now let's see what we have to do here. Paise, rupees. Now we have to subtract 50 paise from 5 paise. Can we subtract 50 paise from 5 paise? No, we can't. So what we will do is, we will take or we will borrow 1 rupee from here. Alright, we will borrow 1 rupee from here. So we are borrowing rupee and we are converting it into paise. That means we are borrowing 100 paise. Alright, and we already have 5 paise with us. So in total we have 105 paise, and here we have, before we had 56 rupees with us, now we have 55 rupees. Is this clear? Once again, we cannot subtract 50 by 5, so we borrowed 1 rupee and convert it into paise. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. We all know that. Then when we add this 5 with 100 paise, we get 105. That means we have to subtract 50 from 105. Alright. Now 5 minus 0 will give us 5, and 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Now here 5 minus 5 will give us 0, and 5 minus 2 will give us 3, isn't it? So we have 30 rupees 55 paise with us. Now let's come to this one. 63 rupees 0 paise. Again, can we subtract 95 from 0 paise? No, we can't. So we are borrowing 1 rupee and converting it into paise. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Now 100 minus 95 will give us 5. And here we had 63 rupees earlier. Since we took 1 rupee, so we are left with 62 rupees. So 62 minus 3 will give us 59. Alright. This one you'll do it on your own. See, we have 75 here and 88. So this 75 can be easily subtracted from 88. So you don't need to borrow 1 from here, because 75 can be subtracted from 88. Alright, do this one and another one. See, this story sum. Madhav had 250 paise coins. He bought 1 kite for 90 paise. Madhav had 250 paise coin. 250 paise coin. 50 paise plus 50 paise. 250 paise coin. That means 100 paise coin, which also means 1 rupee. Isn't it? He bought 1 kite for 90 paise. How much money was left with him? So what will we do here? 250 paise coin means how many paise? 100 paise. 100 paise. He bought 1 kite. That means he is purchasing a kite. So he has given the money to the shopkeeper. So when you buy, you give money to the shopkeeper, isn't it? When you give the money, you subtract. So 90 paise. Subtract it. How much you get? 10 paise. How much money was left with him? 10 paise. So you can write it like this. 10 paise was left with Madhav. Okay. Now, a bus ticket from Delhi to Agra cost rupees 56 for one person. A bus ticket from Delhi to Agra cost rupees 56 for one person. How much will it cost for a person to go to Agra and come back? This is like a bus ticket from Delhi to Agra. This is Delhi. This is Agra. From Delhi to Agra, it is 56 rupees. Now, how much will it cost for a person to go to Agra and come back? So, now, from Delhi, you went to Agra. So, you paid 56 rupees. Again, from Agra, you are coming back to Delhi. So, again, you will pay 56 rupees only. Isn't it? So, how much for a person? It will be add. We have to add 56 rupees from Delhi to Agra, rupees 56. Again, from Agra to Delhi, again 56. Add it together, rupees 112. Okay, so how much will it cost? You can write it cost rupees 112. Okay, 1 kg tomatoes cost rupees 32, more than 1 kg potatoes which cost rupees 18. How much will 1 kg of tomato cost? Now they are saying 1 kg tomatoes cost rupees 32 more than. Remember, we have done before in mixed bag more than. What we do when we get more than? We will do the addition. So 1 kg tomatoes is more 32 more than what? 32 more than 1 kg potatoes. That means rupees 18. How much will 1 kg of tomato cost? So firstly we will write 1 kg potatoes equals to rupees 18. So 1 kg tomato will be rupees 32 more than potato. Rupees 32 more than potato. So we will add 32 rupees. Alright. 8 plus 2, 10, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 and 3, 5. So how much will 1 kg of tomato cost? 1 kg of tomatoes cost rupees 50. Okay. Now this last one. Manoj had rupees 150.35 paise. His friend Jay had rupees 208.68 paise. How much money did they have altogether? Again, altogether. When in the question you get this word altogether, you will do the addition. Once again, Manoj had 150 rupees and 35 paise. His friend Jay had 208 rupees and 68 paise. How much money did they have altogether? So let's see. Manoj had, now you make a column like this, rupee column and paise column. Okay, so 150 rupees 35 paise. Then Jay had 208 rupees 68 paise. Alright, so 8 plus 5 plus 8, 13, 3 carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, 0. Again we will take that 1 here. So 8 plus 1, 9, 5, 3. So how much money did they have altogether? They have rupees 359 and 3 paise altogether. Is it clear? Subtraction and then this 4 story sums, you will do it in your copy. Bye. Have a nice day.